I'm speaking to the husband on the phone, and he tells me he just finished watching the dash cam footage. He can't see his wife, but he can hear bystanders walking by saying, "I think she's dead." The day-to-day life of a neurosurgeon can be a bit unpredictable, and we learn to roll with the punches. I received a phone call about a woman that had had a bleed in her brain. She was going to need a surgical intervention. I called the husband on the phone to discuss with him what we needed to do to treat her, and he had just finished reviewing the dash cam footage for the event, and he was relaying this to me as I'm talking to him on the phone. There's 12 minutes of footage where he doesn't know what's going on, but then he can hear the bystanders, people walking by, and it doesn't sound like any of them are helping her. They're just talking, and they think she might be dead. We're interacting with people, real people, that have major traumas, major decisions, and it's scary for them. This is another day for me. That's the reality. I'm trying to digest these events and just taking a minute, just even a minute, to considering the impact it's having on other people, on me, and for this husband, for that wife that was unconscious at this time. It was a huge deal. They never imagined waking up that day thinking that this was going to happen.